In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Jobber in 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Jobber or just looking to optimize how you organize your client information, tagging is a simple but powerful tool that can help streamline your workflow. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to search for Jobber in your preferred internet browser. Simply open up your browser and type Jobber into the search bar. This should lead you to Jobber's main page, where you can either log in or sign up if you haven't already created an account. If you're a returning user, just log in with your credentials and you're good to go. If you're new, the sign-up process is straightforward, asking for standard details like your email and a new password. Once you're in, navigate to your client list. This section contains all the clients that you're currently managing through Jobber. Browse through your list and find the client to whom you want to add a tag. Click on their name to open their profile. Within your chosen client's profile, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You're looking for the section that contains the client's contact details. This area is where you can add or manage tags to categorize or label your clients in ways that make sense for your business operations. Now, locate the tags section within the client's profile. This is where you'll be able to personalize client profiles by adding relevant tags. Click on the plus New Tag button in this area. If you're wondering what tags to add, think about how you'd like to categorize your clients. Tags can be anything from simple identifiers like VIP or needs follow-up to more specific labels such as their industry or location. After clicking the button, you'll see a field to type in the name of the new tag you wish to add. Go ahead and type in your desired tag, then click Add, or simply press Enter. Your tag will now be part of the client's profile, making it easier for you to filter and organize your list based on these labels. Finally, after you're done adding or maybe even editing any line items within the client's profile, don't forget to save your changes. This is a critical step to ensure that all your updates are applied and saved for future reference. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to enhance your client organization within Jobber using tags. By following these steps, you're set to create a more streamlined and efficient workflow. Thanks for watching, and remember to check out our other videos for more tips and